News is sponsored by Donna K's Cafe.
All right, so Weather Wednesday is a time when we get to talk about the weather together more in depth and help you understand how it can impact our lives across Kern County. And we're hearing a big headline for the beginning of 2026. Scientists are now calculating 2025 was one of the 3 hottest years on record, along with 2024 and 2023. Now, last year in 2025, the average global temperature was about 1.47 degrees Celsius higher than from 1850 to 1900, the period that scientists use as a reference point, since it precedes the industrial era in which massive amounts of carbon pollution have been pumped into the atmosphere. World leaders pledged in the 2015 Paris Agreement to try to limit global warming to 1.5 degrees Celsius over those pre-industrial levels, but temperatures have neared or exceeded that mark for 3 consecutive years now. Scientists say these last 3 years pushed global temperatures up to a new level beyond the way it was trending. In fact, the last 11 years have been the hottest on record. Experts say human-caused warming is the main driver and call it a warning shot about the world's shifting climate. The heat trapped by greenhouse gases is making weather more extreme, increasing the risk of intense rains, heat waves, and flooding as well. Last year was the 3rd most expensive for major weather and climate disasters, according to an analysis released last week by the nonprofit organization Climate Central. In 2025, there were 23 weather and climate events that exceeded $1 billion in damage each, the report said, causing a total of 276 deaths and $115 billion in damage. So while the greenhouse gas emissions are the primary drive of rising global temperatures, natural variability can also play a role. The La Nina pattern, in which cooler than average water dominates the Central Pacific, tends to dampen global temperatures, while El Nino tends to raise them. A La Nina pattern did take hold in late 2025. NOAA scientists now expect a transition back to the neutral conditions early this year. We'll be right back.